Hi, y'all. I'm feeling so much better. After having that big life change, I've gotten about a third of the house completely decluttered, and it'll probably take me another couple of months to completely get through it, but I got a big portion of it done, and I'm feeling so much better. So, even though I canceled a lot of the boxes for January, or for February, I still have them coming, including some new ones that I had ordered, which is what made me feel so overwhelmed of why am I getting 17 boxes when I'm already so cluttered in my house. So there will be a bunch of boxes this month, and then I have gone back to about 8 boxes. So anyway, so this month we'll still have lots of boxes coming through, and we'll open them and have lots of fun with them, and then it'll pare down the following month, March, to 8 boxes so that I can get to the crystal grids and to the other fun things that I want to get to share with you. Like today, I've got a bunch of videos I'm doing, including making bath bombs and lots of fun stuff. So the Tamed Wild box is what we're opening today, and I did video it earlier, but something happened to the video. So I don't have the box, so I'm just going to kind of go through what we got in the box so that I have the video up on the channel for the month of January. So this is January 2021 box. So first, let's review really quickly what we got in last month's box, and I'll give you any updates of anything that I've done. So in the December Tamed Wild box, we received the little sticker. We received the Reset Ritual box item description info card. We received the Wheel of the Year booklet, and that's been really fun to read. Like I said, I really enjoy history. I enjoy learning about different cultures, different religions, how they celebrate, and picking out pieces that inspire me to help me along my way. They gave us the Tamed Wild pin, the Blue Sage smoke stick, the parchment paper, the altar cloth with the Sabbath theme that was purple, and I used that actually in one of the videos that I'm going to be editing soon. So you'll see that, it's beautiful. The gold and silver chime candles, and those I put in my drawer to use with some of our practices that might need those kinds of candles. The onyx tumbled stone, and so that's what we got in last month's box. And I didn't use the parchment paper exactly the way they said. I'm actually using it for different things that I'm doing, but I loved the box last month, so thumbs up. Tamed Wild always does a great job. This month, first we have our card that tells us everything that's in the box. And on the back of the card, there's a witch's alphabet. And I have lots of friends who've used the witch's alphabet to even write down their spells in their books and stuff. I've never really learned it, so I can't really tell you much. Then we have a witch's wheel. And then sigil creation. Sigils are amazing. So sigils are awesome. Sigil is a magically charged symbol. It's a complete spell in the form of a letter, shape, or design. Because crafting a sigil requires very few tools, it's a ritual that we can carry with us whenever and wherever we like. No matter if we're traveling short on supplies and still in the broom closet, all we need is a piece of parchment, a pen, and an intention to practice this sacred art of sigil magic. Then it talks about the witch's wheel, the magical alphabets, and then intuitive designs. For those of us who wish to test our magical prowess, we can create sigils to help from our senses, specifically the sixth sense, intuition. Depending on the nature of our practice, intuition might stem from dreams, messages from guides, or synchronicities that appear in our day-to-day lives. Interesting. And then the last card, oh, cool. So it looks like this month's box is Time Capsules and Sigil Magic. So it has the description card there. Says, do you remember creating time capsules? Of course you do. Who could forget the excitement that follows stashing a collection of photos and relics in an old coffee tin and burying it in the backyard? But just in case you've never made one, or if your childhood memories have turned foggy, let me remind you of the magic that awaits when we capture a memory within a container. And because spell work never needs to be complicated, all we need to recreate this magical formula are the tools included, a few personal items, an intention, and a dream. For this ritual, we will create an enchanted time capsule as a gift to our future self. If the expression time capsule feels too juvenile, then call it a talisman bag, a sachet, or something else that aligns with your ideology. It doesn't matter what we name it, as long as we understand that the vessel for personal awareness, reflection, and hopefully new perspectives. Begin by clearing your workspace, and then it goes on. Very nice. Yay! So we're doing a time capsule. That will be fun. Then we have the little booklet. Oh, nice. Lunar Intention Journal and Calendar. Very cool. I'm always looking for stuff to help me with writing good intentions, because I do believe that our words are magical. And so when we're writing our intention, choosing our words is an important part of that practice. But nice. And it's got each of the months. So let's look at February, since we're in February. February 1st today. So it has the zodiac signs, gods and goddesses, crystals on one page. Then it has the full snow moon, history and folklore, and intention setting and moon rituals for the month. Oh, this is going to be amazing. Oh, I'm super excited. Then it has a place for a new moon spread and a full moon spread. I'm loving this. Oh my gosh. And then it has currently manifesting the moon phases, where you can put the dates, and then a monthly calendar. And it has that for each month. Oh, that is really neat. Look at the back. It's all pretty too. Oh, I'm so excited to use that. Very cool. Okay, so let's see the items that we have. And let me get the card out that talks about them. There we go. So first we have this cute little Isis with the eye of... Uh-oh. Now I'm going to mess it up. What is it? The eye of Horus. The eye of Horus. Yeah, see, look. I have one on the back of my neck. Hopefully you could see that. If not, I'll edit it out. Very nice. So, and a nice little bag, which is what I was doing, was I put all the items in the bag. Get my glasses so I can read better. I read the other stuff without it, but it's just so much easier with my old lady glasses. Okay. So, embroidered canvas pouch. Whether you call it a talisman bag, an enchanted sachet, or a witch's carry-all, think of this bag as more than just a container. Today, it's a magical time capsule, one that we can fill our hopes, dreams, and intentions for the coming year and beyond. While we've included some items like the herbal salt, blessed thistle, and obsidian arrowhead, it's up to you to add personal items and craft a sigil that will generate new perspectives and appreciation for your future self. So it kind of just gave away the other things we got. But then we have a little bag. And again, we've got the all-knowing eye. Let me pull it out of the bag. Doo-doo-doo. Very pretty. So pretty. I love the eye. The all-knowing eye. And then we have a chain. Oh, it looks like a bracelet. Oh, and it's a pretty chain. Look how pretty. That's really pretty. We got a nice little bracelet. Let's see if I can put it on here. I will definitely wear this one. Let's see if I can get it through here anyway. Uh-oh. It does not go through. Darn it. I hate it when you have to get the things to open the thing to put it on the thing. Ah! That's why I didn't wear the other intention bracelet. It took me too long to put everything on and then they would fall off. So that or put a jump ring on it. Hopefully I can get that open and closed nice. But that is a really pretty bracelet. I'm excited to have it. And I will definitely wear that. So I will get that fixed and get that put on. So what does it say? Amulet and Bracelet. This Eye of Horus is an ancient Egyptian symbol that speaks to the regenerative power of the body and consciousness. Wear it as a form of protection against unwanted thoughts, whether they be yours or someone else's. To add the amulet to the bracelet or chain, use a pair of pliers. Yeah, that's what we said. Darn it. Open the ring just enough. Yeah. The Eye of Horus amulet is the first charm in our 2021 amulet series. There will be a total of 6 charms that subscribers can collect in preparation for an end of the year intention setting ceremony. I like that they did that last time, so I'm glad that they're doing it again. While you do not need to acquire the entire collection, as new amulets become available, you can find them on our website. Yay! Oh, and I like that it's not a rigid bracelet. I had a harder time wearing that one. So then it looks like we have another little pouch here. And it says on the front, it's got the Tamed Wild. And then it says it's Obsidian. Known as the Stone of Protection, obsidian is found all over the world as an important tool in early mankind's survival. When worn, it is said to be a powerful protector from negative energy and cleanser of the aura. And it's 2 beautiful black obsidian arrowheads. See if I can grab one. One's a little bit smaller. Really pretty though. So 2 black arrowheads, obsidian. Obsidian arrowhead. Protective, grounding, and restorative are just a few of the words that come to mind when thinking about obsidian. Add this obsidian arrowhead to your time capsule to generate balance in a world that sometimes feels unsteady. Yeah, 2020 was a hard year, but I'm feeling better about 2021. It's gonna be a good year. So, what do we have next? We have a cute little vial. Just a little glass vial. Ritual jar. Add a pinch of earth, ash, herbs, or a few drops of moon water to this glass vial before placing in your time capsule. Choose an element that supports the intention behind your sigil. Okay, last but not least, we have some ritual bath salts. Protection salts. Oh, maybe they're not bath salts. Oh, look, it's got a star anise in it. So let's see what it says. Herbal salt blend. Purify your surroundings. Cast a circle or add a pinch of herbal salt to your time capsule for an extra layer of protection. Historically, star anise or anise, it's pronounced both ways, was buried in incense to, historically, star anise was burned in incense to purify a space, placed under the pillow to support a dream sachet, or carried on the body to deflect the evil eye. Dun, dun, dun. Very nice. So let's review really quickly. In this box, we got the Amulet and Bracelet, and that's the first of 6 that they're going to be doing for this year with the Eye of Horus on it, the first charm. We got the Embroidered canvas pouch with the Eye of Horus on it, the Herbal salt blend, the Obsidian Arrowheads, 2 of them, the Ritual jar, the Lunar intention booklet that had all the months. Oh, I'm so looking forward to using that this year. That was a great. That's probably my favorite thing in here because of all the knowledge that it has. And then the Sigil card so that we can learn and make a sigil for our time capsule. Very nice. Thumbs up. Tamed Wild. I always enjoy taking their rituals and making them into something that really resonates with me. And hopefully I'll be sharing some more of those practices with you. This month I have one that's going to be going up. When's it going up? It should be going up on February 6th, so within the next week, on practice on harmonious households. I know with COVID, a lot of us have been on top of each other, and so did a little practice to help us to improve our household atmosphere so that we can have a loving and supportive household. So I hope you had fun with me today. Remember to give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel where you can say, "Karma's my friend." Bye, y'all.